Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the TempFlow Contour Elite and the Tempurpedic Pro Adapt Medium. Both of these are a medium firmness mattress and both are very high quality. But in this video, we'll take a look at some of the key differences and which one might be a better fit for you. So let's dive in and take a look. Both of these mattresses come with standard delivery, where you can choose a white glove option. That's important to note that neither of these are constructed to be compressed into a box. The reason being is that they're using a denser foam, which is a more high quality foam. So they do need to be shipped through standard delivery, but that is pretty easy. Both of these can be ordered directly through their respective websites, and they should arrive to your door about a few weeks after placing your order. Both of these mattresses measure 10 inches thick, and they both use a very dense foam. The TempFlow does feel a little bit denser. It's using a 5-pound density foam, and you notice that when you sort of lift up on the edge, it does have a lot of heft to it, which makes it in a different class than your typical bed-in-a-box, where they're using a less dense foam. It's going to be a lighter mattress and probably isn't going to hold up nearly as well as these mattresses will. Both of these mattresses are constructed as a medium firm feel. Of course, we all know that firmness is a relative term. My firm could be your soft or your medium. So what I've done over the years as I've gone through and reviewed these mattresses, I kind of have my own scale, but between the two, I would say that the TempFlow is going to contour much faster than the Tempurpedic. So as you lay down on this mattress, it's going to contour pretty quickly to your body, and that's the feel you're going to enjoy throughout the night. Whereas with the Tempur, it may feel a little bit firmer at first when you lay down, and then it will slowly contour. Because both of these have a very dense foam, the recovery may be just a little bit slower, but it's definitely worth it because you get a much more pressure relief with the denser foams. There's a few key advantages in the TempFlow that I really like. Now, both of these are made in the USA, so that's great because you usually get more consistent material with USA-made mattresses. But beyond that, the TempFlow is Green Guard certified, so they are using biofoams. And additionally, they have their cool flow system. So what you have is holes on the top of layer of foam. Underneath that, you have foam with some channels, so air can dissipate throughout the mattress during the night to give you a consistent feel and keep you cool. Both of these mattresses are constructed to be a medium firmness. There are a few, again, key differences. One being, I did notice that the TempFlow has a little bit better edge support, so it doesn't feel as much like I'm sliding off. That allows you to sleep right up to the edge of the mattress and use all of the mattress while you sleep. The other key difference is that when I lay down on the TempFlow, it contours much more quickly, and I get into the position I'm going to be in all night. Whereas with the Tempur, it does have that classic kind of firm feel at first, and then as your body heats up the mattress a little, it will start to contour. So you may just have to wait a little bit longer with the Tempurpedic, but both are going to provide really great pressure relief. Like I said, both of these mattresses do cost a bit more than your standard mattress in a box, but you do get what you pay for. So for example, the Tempurpedic comes with a 10-year warranty. The TempFlow actually comes with a 40-year warranty. So it really means that they do stand by their product to warrant the construction for 40 years. They also come with a trial period. So with Tempurpedic, they come with a 90-night trial. And with the TempFlow, you get 120 nights. So that's basically 4 months to try it out and see if it's a good fit. If not, it is a free return. In conclusion, I like both the Tempurpedic and the TempFlow. Now, you're probably more familiar with the name Tempurpedic, but surprisingly, the TempFlow has been around for over 20 years now. So they aren't just a fly-by-night company. You know, they have a track record of good customer service. They're going to stand by that 40-year warranty. And so whatever you go with, rest assured you're going with a quality brand. Between the two, I did tend to like the TempFlow a little bit better because as I am more of a side sleeper and sometimes a stomach sleeper, this offers the support but also the softness I want right away when I lay down. And so I get that contouring right away. Plus, I can sleep right up to the edge of the bed. I'm getting all that great edge support as well. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com where you can get the latest discounts and the full review.